Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, according to the depreciation rates used by the company and described in the production cost report, if a company adds 50 new workstations at a cost of $75,000 each and also spends $10 million for an addition to its assembly plant to accommodate the new workstations, then its annual depreciation costs will rise by. The correct answer to the question is $55 lakh point 00. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.